Hello shoulder riders, how are you doing? And today we are in Almessagas 2 Waterfall. That yesterday we didn't have time to do this waterfall, but today we returned here in São Bento complex and now we are in Almessagas 2. Look at this fall over there. A very good and cold, beautiful fall. That's a good place. You know, this is an excellent place for you to visit here in Alto Paraíso de Goiás City, Goiás State, Brazil. Nice place, guys. Look at all this nature here among us. We are surrounded by beauties. This beautiful nature here, this energy here, a very good energy here. This is life. This is living. Very nice place for you to come and visit here. Look at all this green, this forest here, these trees, very unique. Great. The water is cold, however we don't care because this is being in constant contact with nature. Oh sun, don't leave us. That's a cloud in front of the sun, but in a while the cloud leaves the sun and the rays come back to us.